government want to share anything now, nobody, before you count 10 houses, at least 3 people are going to redeem. They should help us disburse to redeem. Let them help us disburse palliative to redeem church. Redeem go help us share them. Now, as people no fit go their local government, if you go local government, now only APC people then go allow enter. PDP, LP, Sowore party, wọn ní gan wọlé.
Madam Adetoun ti fohùn ránṣẹ́ sí ìjọba President Bola Tinubu o lórí gbogbo hílàhílo ọ̀rọ̀ oúnjẹ, ọ̀rọ̀ palliative. Ṣé ẹ rántí pé wọ́n ní wọ́n fún àwọn gọ́vnà ní 30 billion naira pé kí wọ́n fi subsidize ọ̀rọ̀ oúnjẹ ní ìpínlẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan. Báwo ló ṣe wá jẹ́ ṣáwọn èèyàn ti rí àwọn owó ìgbà bí wọ́n ti rí oúnjẹ tí wọ́n fi rà? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? Owó ló fà á o tí Adétóun ṣe jáde pé ayé ní àsìkò yìí ó láwọn kan tá a lè lò tí àwọn oúnjẹ yìí fi lè dé ọ̀dọ̀ gbogbo èèyàn pátápátá. Àjẹ́bẹ̀ àwọn APC nìkan náà máa rí àwọn ẹ̀tọ́ yìí gbà. Òun ló fà á tí Adétóun ṣe wá dárúkọ bàbá Adeboye ti ìjọ Rìdíìmù pé ṣé mọ̀ pé àwọn náà ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì tó tóbi jù pé àkókò ti tó bàbá Adeboye Asarudeen ní fún àwọn mùsùlùmí kí àwọn méjèèjì yìí ọ̀rọ̀ ti kàn wọ́n, ọ̀rọ̀ ti délẹ̀ kí wọ́n wá dá sí i. Báwo ló ṣe máa jẹ́ ẹja gbọ́. Welcome to CrossBlog X TV. Remember to like, share and follow us. Plan Adétóun yìí tó fi ń pe bàbá Adébóyè àti àwọn ìjọ Asarudeen lórí bọ́n ṣe máa pín ọ̀rọ̀ oúnjẹ láti tó máa pín ní ìpínlẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan. Báwo ló ṣe máa work? Báwo ló ṣe máa ṣiṣẹ́? Báwo náà ṣe fẹ́ gbé àwọn bàbá Adébóyè wọbẹ̀ àti gbogbo àwọn provincial pastor lóríṣiríṣiríṣi àti ìjọ Asarudeen fún àwọn mùsùlùmí? Báwo ló ṣe máa jẹ́ ẹja gbóhùn lẹ́nu Justadetoun, ẹja gbóhùn tó sọ.
With all due respect, sir, the number one person that is going to help us in this problem is Pastor E.A. Enoch Adedare Adeboye Tuale, sir. Ipe àwa náà sì ń lónú àwọn ìpè yín, ìpè àwọn bàbá wa tí ń bẹ láyé láwọn yẹn. Bàbá Adeboye, we need you. Bàbá Adeboye, Redeem Church, start tagging on Redeem member. Redeem is the biggest church in the whole of Nigeria. Now Redeem get the highest number of branches. So if government want to share anything now, nobody, before you count 10 houses, at least 3 people are going to redeem. They should help us disburse to redeem. Let them help us disburse palliative to redeem church. Redeem go help us share them. Now, as people no fit go their local government, if you go local government, now only APC people then go allow enter. PDP, LP, Sowore party, wọn ní gan wọlé. So, Redeem is the first person that will help us. Let them call all the province pastors of Redeem and distribute the common share.
Ẹni pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kì í ṣọ̀rọ̀ kékeré, ọ̀rọ̀ tó lágbára ni o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni iná ṣe pé Pastor Adeboye pé kán wá bá wa dá sí o, kán wá distribute. Ẹ̀sìn tó jẹ́ pé church wọn ló tóbi jù. Ẹ rí pé serious matter ni.
Sense there abi sense no dey. Please, make we first start from Baba Adeboye. Then, which number has the highest number of local government? Local government no dey share am. Anytime where they pass, I dey always see them, they go dey call themselves. Come fill paper. APC people go dey call people. Come and fill paper. Come and fill paper. Make them no use party. Make them use church. That's number one. Sense there be sense no dey. This head no sleep. He dey think. Baba Adeboye, when they want to do election, then they go meet Baba Adeboye. Baba Adeboye should summon them. He has authority. Don't worry. Make we start. You don't dey talk Muslim. Wait to first. Me like it. They name Shay. Me like it. I can nesuru. I don't need biro. Make we dey pin them down. Catholic. This one, I go make sure say my papa hear am tomorrow. My father will hear this tomorrow. Make una no worry. If he dey sleep, if my papa is not dey busy, if my papa is busy, I go Gbaja. Senate president, he must hear am. Make una no worry. I no go comot where I dey then go
ẹ rí
hear
pé
am.
ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kì í ṣọ̀rọ̀ kékeré, ọ̀rọ̀ tó lágbára ni o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni iná ṣe ń pe pásítọ̀ Adébóyè pé kán wá bá wa dá sí o, kán wá distribute ẹ̀sìn tó jẹ́ pé church wọn ló tóbi jù. Ẹ rí pé serious matter ni.
Make we just let us rub minds together. So, redeemed pastors, let them share palliative through all redeemed province. Enter. Another person don't bring one. Catholic Church. That one, you don't sure. Now, Muslim. I want to laugh. No. I want to do this one now. Ansarudeen. I'm not any amount to eat. Lama we won't religion. Help me be pinning down the post. Please. I don't really know how to do this live. Help me when I finish this post, this live video. Put your comments. We are going to come back and pick point from. I will send it that they should come and see. This is common knowledge. So Baba Adeboye is going to help us. Baba Adeboye is part of the list of the people that will help us. They don't say Ansarudeen too. All the Moshalashi, let them call the Moshalashi. See, let me tell you something. In December, nobody Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu 1.750 million. They said Jide Sanwo-Olu he shares 750 million. As they talk that thing, then send them, give me, say make I see you. Say I go the abuse governor. Say governor don't do something. My brothers and my sister. Now I carry this my two-legged. I go the investigation. I enter market $5. 5 kobo. Market people no see her. Market people no see 5 kobo out of the money. Now I go meet them. Your say they say governor give una money. Make una give market women. Make them take buy goose, join their goose with the money. Sham kalele. Then they cough. The one wey no cough, they stammer. Make we leave these politicians. Make we think our problem by ourselves. Please. Baba Adeboye is the first person that we need. Mosque. Yes. Mosque and churches. National mosque, NASFAT.
Ẹ rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kì í ṣọ̀rọ̀ kékeré, ọ̀rọ̀ tó lágbára ni o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni iná ṣe ń pe pásítọ̀ Adébóyè pé kán wá bá wa dá sí o, kán wá distribute ẹ̀sìn tó jẹ́ pé church wọn ló tóbi jù. Ẹ rí pé serious matter ni.
45 trailer. Who they hand over to? Who did they hand over? Please, somebody should be helping me to screen record this video so that we will spread it round. Because now, all hands on deck. The heat where they hit you, they hit me too. We are not exempted. But since Justadetoun don't come this social media, I have been shouting. Will you people kept quiet for too long. It be like saying I only be Conde market, Conde make noise, they shout. That's why they go call me, Auntie Cloutina, keep quiet, shut up. Now, not be the same problem. All of them they shout for now. They can't deceive you now because they think say if they write some rubbish nonsense story about me, I go keep quiet. Why I go keep quiet? I get another business where they do. I get another country. I be then tell una say I get sugar daddy for Semeboda where they go collect rice and where we pali eja. You see where we land ourselves now. So this is not the time to fight. This is not the time to fight ourselves. Common suffering don't join all of us together now. Ati domo ya no common suffering. Ati domo ya. My papa, he don't tie all of us together. Whether you are from Sokoto, or you are from Gombe, or you are from Calabar, or you are from Abeokuta, common problem don't tie all of us together now. Fuel scarcity no dey your area. Fuel scarcity no dey your area.
Tó, òun nìyẹn àwọn èèyàn wa. Ṣé rò pé gbogbo èyí tí Adétóun sọ yìí ṣé rò pé ó máa work? Pé kí wọ́n lo Baba Adébóyè kan lo ìjọ Ansarudeen láti fi pín palliative látọ̀dọ̀ àwọn gọ́vnọ̀ àbí láti ìjọba àpapọ̀. Kí lè ròyìn ẹ drop comment and remember to like, share and follow us. Thanks for watching.